There we go. There's a lifted truck. Well, leveled. Well, we didn't quite make the corner. Okay, I'm coming over. You don't have a choice. I have a big truck. I think we're good. Raised on country. Try not to hit the yellow posts. Hey. Hopefully that cop can't see me through this 5% tint. I don't think we can fit. Yeah, so SEMA's in like 6 months, but I probably won't start phase 2 of build for another 5. Yeah, Dad, can you transfer some money to my account? Yeah, I find it just works better if you kind of straddle the center line here. Take up both lanes. This is in the back, horse buck is attached. Next year is definitely gonna be bigger. Honestly, the turning radius isn't that bad. No, I don't have an ego problem. Bro! Hey, am I over the line over there? No, I think I'm over the line over here. Nope, not gonna make it. Oh yeah, we got like at least 1.5 inches. Oh, not again. 9 feet. Oh, we're golden. Over, please don't pull me over. Please don't pull me over. Oh God, it's a chick too. Nah, man, the alignment's supposed to be like that. Yeah, I get compliments all the time. Like 4x4 Barbie loves this truck. God, I love roundabouts. Ah! Come on! God, car driver. Man, every place I go. Don't rub, don't rub, don't rub. Ah, we're gonna go in the grass. That's about as much off-roading as this truck's ever gonna see. Man, how do you even get into this thing?